Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today's song is on Memories and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. So for this video, we're going to be using the capo on the 1st fret. If you guys don't have one, I'll have the chords in the comment section for you to play without it. So we're going to be playing the same chords throughout this entire song. So the first chord we're going to use is a B flat to an F, G minor, D minor, and an E flat. So the E flat is a little difficult, I know, but we're going to be using all these chords for the entire song. So on the screen we have the chord progression. It goes B flat, F, G minor to D minor, then E flat, B flat, E flat, F. So an easy strum pattern that we can do is just down strums and then muting the strings. So it'll sound like this. And we'll do it again. So if you really want to play it like the actual song, you're going to hit the 2nd string and then strum the chord. So it'd be like this. Again. And that's it. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the guitar version of this and check out my other videos, subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.